Ganesh Chaturthi is a time when we all set out to buy the perfect Ganesha to celebrate the festival with. But how many of you know that there is an idol maker from Bengaluru whose Ganeshas are internationally renowned? Take a look at these quirky idols if you didn't. There are hardly a few days left for the festival of Ganesha Chaturthi. While many get ready to celebrate by buying clothes, preparing a menu full of delicious items and planning a small or elaborate puja, there will be others who will be planning on the Ganesha idol they are going to buy. Those people would be interested in a scene like this right here in Namma Bengaluru. Ganeshas sized from small to medium, idols of the elephant god in different postures, an artisan completely engrossed in his work. If you happen to visit the house of Muni Raju, an artisan near RV College on Mysore Road, this is exactly what you will see. Muni Raju makes Ganesha idols for a living. But don't be fooled. These are no mere Ganeshas. These are idols of the god that are going places, internationally that is. From the past 20 odd years, Muni Raju has been hard at work, making Ganesha idols of different sizes and postures. His Ganesha idols have become so famous that there is a big demand for them every year in Mumbai, Delhi and so on. But the journey does not end there for these idols. Muni Raju's Ganeshas have been exported to Japan, America, Egypt, England and many other places from other states. Thanks to his loyal legion of customers who keep coming back for more.
ತಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 400 ರಿಂದ 500 ವೆರೈಟಿ ಗಣೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮುಂಬೈ ಮತ್ತು ದೆಹಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜಪಾನು, ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಧವಾದ ಒಂದು 8 ನಮೂನೆಯಾದ ಮಣ್ಣಿದೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
The Ganesha idols range from anything between quirky to cute and grand. For those who want to use the idols in their car, at home as a showpiece or simply as a small gift, there are cute little Ganesha idols that are just about 2 inches in size. And for those who like them a little bigger, idols up to 2 feet are available as well. These Ganeshas are not made from the dangerous plaster of Paris or POP as it's called. Muni Raju's Ganeshas are instead made of the eco-friendly clay and he uses vegetable dye and non-toxic paint to color them. Muni Raju collects clay from Karnataka, Delhi and Maharashtra to make these idols. So far, he has been using over 8 different varieties of clay. Not just that,
He has also studied about the different types of clay and has gained ample knowledge by now. There are scores of Ganesha idol vendors in different parts of the city. But Muniraju is not a new entrant into the Ganesha idol market that is booming in Bengaluru. From the past 20 years, he's been at it, making different Ganeshas for every different year. His numbers are amazing as Muniraju makes over 20 to 30 Ganeshas every day. And what's more, he has made over 1 lakh Ganesha idols up till now. Muniraju follows a theme every year when he makes the international Ganeshas. This year, the theme was Yogasana, or the different poses of yoga. You can see the Ganesha idols, small and big, in different yoga postures. Apart from that, there are also other idols in demand nationally and internationally like Shankha Ganesha, Kindarajogi Ganesha, Shivalinga Ganesha, Valmiki Ganesha, Panchamukhi Ganesha, and so on. Out of all of these, the Panchamukhi Ganesha, Shankha Ganesha and Kindarajogi Ganesha are his best creations. The prices of the Ganesha idols range from Rs 52 to several thousands. While artisans like Muniraju feel this is justifiable, the residents of Silicon City allege that the Ganesha idols have become costlier nowadays. They also claim that they are compelled to shell out thousands of rupees for the idols.
ಓಷಧಿಗಿಂತ ಈ ಸರಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಷಧಿ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕುಣಿಸಿದ್ದು 8 ಅಡಿ ಕುಣಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಸತಿ ಆ 8 ಅಡಿನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರೇಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 50ರಿಂದ 1 ಲಕ್ಷವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹಬ್ಬ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು.
Well, whatever the issue with the cost may be, it is a story of steady success for Muniraju. He has not taken the help of any bank or money lenders so far, but has survived on the goodwill and help from his friends. So it looks like Namma Bengaluru's Ganesha is going to have a colourful passport at this rate pretty soon, thanks to talented artists like Muniraju. Pemmaya Malayanda for News 9.